2002 Toyota Tundra. Customer states vehicle does not start. Charging system does not work. Jump starts, it runs fine as soon as the battery charging or cables are disconnected. It stalls. Check the alternator fuse. It sits right there, and here it is on the box. And this one's blown, and that's why it was in. Once the jumper cables were disconnected, it wasn't allowing the vehicle to stay on. It stalled immediately. The way you get to these is you have a couple clips on this side, over here, here, and here. You just grab the plier, 2 pliers, and pull up, and this whole enchilada comes up. And you have an access point on the side here, on the back side, where these come from. A 10 and an 8. The 10 goes on this side, and the 8 goes on this side. And you gotta take this relay out because it sits right here, and it's got a couple of little legs that I accidentally broke off trying to get it off. But anyway, still go in. But anyway, you get this one off, and then you can get the 10 that's inside. Once both little bolts are removed, then this fuse just slides right out. Replace it. I'm also replacing terminals on both sides and a battery due to corrosion and sitting for a very long time. But again, this is just a quick video on the alternator not charging the vehicle, keeping the vehicle on. Alternator fuse is blown. Don't know what happened to it. We're gonna find out if there's anything else further. Thank you.